Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HyperX headset to PC, quick method step by step clearly. To connect your HyperX headset to your PC, first, identify the type of connection your headset uses. If you have a wired HyperX headset, locate the 3.5mm audio jack. Plug the audio jack into the green audio port on your PC. If your headset includes a microphone, plug it into the pink microphone port as well. For USB headsets, find an available USB port on your computer. Insert the USB connector into the port securely. Next, turn on your headset if it has a power button. Once connected, right-click the speaker icon in your system tray. Select Playback Devices from the menu. Find your headset in the list of devices. Click on it to highlight the device. Then, click the Set Default button at the bottom. For microphone settings, go back to the speaker icon and select Recording Devices. Locate your headset microphone in the list. Right-click it and choose Set Default. Click OK to confirm your settings. Finally, test audio by playing a sound or video to ensure your headset is working properly. If issues persist, check the headset connection and restart your computer. Your HyperX headset should now be successfully connected to your PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.